Step into comfort at the Villas on Guadalupe Austin, your gateway to convenience and community. Choose from charming 1 to 5 bedroom apartments and spacious en-suites and non-en-suites, complete with walk-in closets for all your stuff. Carpeted bedrooms so you can glide across your home, and a dreamy kitchen for each time culinary inspiration knocks on the door. With a full-size washer and dryer in-unit, say goodbye to laundry stress. Individual climate control ensures everyone stays comfortable. Daily cardio is sorted with laps in the resort-style pool or workouts at the 24-hour fitness center, so it's easy to achieve all your health goals. Fire up the poolside grills for some after-swim deliciousness. Bye-bye bill stress, utilities are included. With study spaces equipped for even the most intense focused sessions, academic success is right around the corner. There is also garage parking for your vehicles. Get to class super quick with the University of Texas at Austin and Austin Community College just a short drive away. With 2,819 Guadalupe/29th bus stop nearby, getting around the city will be a breeze. So, grab your spot at the Villas on Guadalupe. Austin now with amberstudent.com.